Hello everyone, welcome to Canaan Workshop. I'm Melody from Canaan, China. Our company is a top pharmaceutical equipment manufacturer in OSC industries in China. We have 8 factories, and we mainly focus on solid dosage production lines. We can provide you with the whole granulation line from material pre-treatment to finished product packaging. And today I'm in the workshop of Canaan headquarters.
The main products in this factory are granulation machines, blenders, lifters, bean washing station, etc.
Canaan is the only one in China who can provide machines with all 3 granulation methods: wet granulation, dry granulation, and one-step granulation. Last time we have known about the wet granulation machine. Today, let me introduce another type, one-step granulation machine, also called fluid bed granulator. This is FXBW series multiprocessor. This machine has functions including drying, granulation, and coating. Paneling function can also be customized according to specific requirements. The machine adopts PLC and HMI control, can be used in pharmaceutical, food, chemical industries. It can optimize production processes, reduce labor works, and controls cross-contamination.
This is the main machine. It's composed of bottom chamber, both for granulation, expansion chamber, and filtration chamber. Each part is sealed by inflation seal ring. The machine adopts stuffy X-proof design with thick machine wall, explosion venting valve, X-proof buckles, etc. Can withstand 10 bar explosion pressure. Also can be designed to achieve 12 bar stuffy X-proof according to specific needs, fully ensure safety during production process. The material is transferred by vacuum during the whole production process, will not be exposed to the environment. And the machine is designed to be mounted on wall, so after installation, only the main part is exposed in clean area, or wires are hidden in the wall, can save space and keep a clean look. This is a bowl for granulation. It can be changed with bowl for coating. For this machine, coating capacity can achieve the same capacity as granulation. The seal plate is made of cyclone plate. The upward airflow is formed by the seal plate, which is beneficial to the uniformity of airflow distribution and that material reaches best fertilization state in the chamber. Now let's look at the inside structure. This is the filtration chamber. It adopts double chamber structure. The filter bag cylinder and exhaust butterfly valve work in different time intervals, avoid material blocking. Filter bag lifting can be controlled by electrically, pneumatically, or manually. For this machine, it uses electric lifting. This is the bowl for coating. Here are the 3 spray nozzle seats for setting spray nozzles. This is the temperature sensor and sampling point. The coating bowl adopts roost column structure. The 3 roost columns can be lifted by a side adjusting device. The height can be displayed on the digital display meter, which is convenient for adjustment. Till now, we have known some mechanical features of the machine. Now let's look at the control system. Tech Pro M system. It fully complies with 21 CFR Part 11 requirements, and it's also very convenient to operate. Like this, you can complete all the operation on the touch screen, and it has many different functions such as batch management, data analysis, maintenance planning, etc. It provides diagnostic tools using PLC I/O status real-time monitoring floating window to improve the diagnostic efficiency. For this machine, you can set parameters such as temperature, pressure, airflow, pump rotary speed, etc. on the HMI. The system can automatically monitor and adjust to reach the required value. Once the actual operation value exceeds the set value, the system will automatically alarm to remind the operator to find problems in time and avoid material loss.
Our equipment fully meets GMP requirements, and we can offer you with customer design. What you need is what we care. And that's so much for today. You can contact us by the information on the screen. See you very soon. Have a nice day.